Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another Barkbox opening. She gets so excited when she sees these because she can smell the treats. She knows what the box is now. This is February's month, so let's see what's in it. So when you first open the box, it is candy themed. It's a little candy store, and that's what the paper looks like. The first thing when you open the box is this little book, and it has some scratch and sniffs. There's sneakers, garbage, dog butt. So let's see if she can smell these. We're gonna do dog butt first. Let's do garbage. Oh, that one smells bad. Do you like that? Yeah, okay. I think she just can smell them all. So the first toy we get in here is a bubblegum squeak toy, and it has a face on the other side. It's like a light blue, so it's kind of like blinding, but it has a squeaker. Get back. These are my favorite because there's bonus toys inside. If she shreds the packaging, there's a squeaker inside, so she can still use this toy. You can already tell that she really likes that one. The next toy in the box is a bubblegum machine, and it has a squeaker up here, and then it sounds like it has like a foil down here. This one is so cute. This one's my favorite. So it has crinkle on the bottom and a spiky ball up top. And so it's the toy inside the toy, just like the other one. If she shreds this, there's a ball inside so she can still play with it. Oh! Do you like that one too? Yeah, she's taking all of them. The next thing in here is Ham Dandies soft and chewy pork dog treats. I love this packaging. I love the pink. I love everything about it. This is the cutest bag I've ever gotten from Barkbox. So let's open it and see if she likes them. This is what they look like. They look like little cute flowers. You want it? Stay. Okay, you can eat it. The next treat bag is peanut butter pups, and they're peanut butter dog treats. I love the name they put for those, like peanut butter cups. And again, love the packaging. This one is more of like a coral color, but it's the same like stripes, really cute. And these are probably gonna be awesome. I love peanut butter treats for her. These are so cute. They're little hearts. They smell like pure peanut butter. Want it? It does good? You are loud. These, I would say, are my favorite by far out of all the boxes I've gotten so far. One, because I love the packaging, I love the name, and they smell so good. I feel like these are probably her favorite too. The last thing in this box is a Lambie link, and usually they have something like this in the box. It's just a big chew. I usually give this to her outside. I don't like her to eat stuff like this inside, so this is what it looks like. I like that these are big so she can chew on them for a while, and so she doesn't eat them so fast, so this is definitely a good pick. That is it for today's video. I am holding her because she is already playing with her toys, so I have to have her for the outro. She loves all her Barkbox toys, and we will continue to get these and show y'all what we got. Bye!